What's up guys, welcome back for another video. So to reset my car. Today I'm going to show you can reset the oil change indicator of an Opel Karl. It's a 2015 or 16 model. As you can see, when we change the ignition on, there you can see the indicator that says oil change, and I'm going to show you how you can reset that manually so you can do it for yourself. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel, Service Reset My Car. We'd appreciate it if you subscribe to our channel, give us more support by liking our videos. Any questions, any comments, use the commentary and I get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, I'll be showing you this twice because I had many inquiries on people on do it twice on your videos. So you don't have to rewind it if you want to see it again. Okay, first of all, turn the ignition on to the second position. All the lights must go on. Then there is a stick over here, the menu button over here. You have to go to where it says the oil percentage, like this, percentage, like this. Okay, then you have to press this button over here. Keep pressing that till it says 100 and then let go. And if it is correct, when we're gonna do the check, the indicator for the oil change has disappeared. So once again, turn off the ignition, turn the ignition on, go for this area where the percentage is shown, press this button over here, keep pressing that till this appears to 100 and the percentage is 100 again. And that was it. I hope this worked for you and I hope to see you next time with another video. Take care, stay safe, bye bye.